Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg of Meg Journals. And our prompt for today is bright. So I've got bright as a peacock. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing pretty good. First off, I'm going to go ahead and lay down some background paper to kind of brighten this up. I hope everybody's doing good. This is my my third video that I filmed today. And the first one was the unfold, and hopefully y'all have gotten a good laugh out of that one. Because it's funny how you do something and make sure you know how to do it, and then when you get on the camera, it doesn't seem like it wants to work out for you. And I won't put this one over here. And I don't think I'm the only one that happens to. All right. Okay. I'm just going to leave the stripes in between there. I just want to break up just that brown. And I'm going to trim this off. Hopefully without cutting something I shouldn't. Okay. Now, I like how he stands out against that, but I think I also want to add a little bit of foliage. These are some things that I had tucked away on my desk from doing this collage. So I like that. And I've got these tiny butterflies that I think would look good there. So let me get this down. See where I want them. So this, I'm going to tuck in under there. I use a lot of the same things, and that makes my journal kind of cohesive. Because, my first instinct with bright was pull out, some of my really bright papers and stuff. But, my journal's more of like a vintage look this time. And I just felt like it would be out of place. Of course, it wouldn't be the first time I've done something like that. But I just kind of wanted to keep it cohesive. Okay, and I want to put this sticker down, if I can get it up. There we go. All right, now I'm going to put my peacock down. One thing I really love about this challenge is, some of them you can take a long time with, and some of them just go really fast. I know the one I did yesterday only had 3 pieces, I think, on the whole collage, but I think it turned out really cute. And I could think of anything else that I would want to add to it. Then this, I'm not sure just how much I would add. Let's see here. I do want to go around him. I'll go around him with my Stabilo All, just to give him a little bit of shadow and help him to stand out. Just a little bit. I don't even think I'll wet it. Okay. And now, let's see. Do I want to add? I don't think I want to add those, but I do want to add the butterflies. And let me close up my glue. These, I have to and the little gold around it makes them bright. I want to get as close to the edge, as I can. Because these, you have to cut around them. And then peel them off. On one hand, I wish that they were, you could just peel them off without having to cut them. But on the other hand, you've got these teeny tiny little gold spots that would be awfully hard to cut around or to remember to add on. So put that one there. And this one here. If I can get it off. Once again, when you get on camera, goodness. There we go. That one too. I think it would blend in too much. Maybe. Okay. Why not? I could throw that strip away. All right. Now, I'm going to add some gold splatters. Call that one done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure to check out Meg's channel at Meg's Journals, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January to see what everyone else has made. So take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.